Succulent plants, nature's ultimate survivors. Imagine a desert, barren and scorching. Water is scarce, yet succulents thrive, storing moisture in their thick, fleshy leaves. These plants aren't just beautiful, they're engineered for survival. Succulents adapt in amazing ways. From aloe vera to the vibrant Echeveria, their fleshy leaves, stems, or roots store water, helping them survive even the driest conditions. This makes them perfect for low-maintenance plant lovers. Aloe vera, known for its healing gel, holds moisture like a sponge, thriving in the hottest climates. Echeveria, with its rose-like shape, reflects sunlight with its vibrant hues, protecting the plant from heat. Why are succulents so irresistible? It's their resilience and low care needs. Give them bright, indirect light, too little, and they'll stretch, too much, and they burn. Water sparingly, overwatering kills them. Let the soil dry out before watering again, imitating the desert they're built for. Soil is crucial. Succulents hate waterlogged roots. In nature, they grow in rocky, fast-draining soil. At home, use a pot with drainage holes and cactus mix or add sand to regular soil to keep their roots healthy. Succulents are more than survivors, they're design icons. Picture a sunny windowsill filled with a variety of succulents, jade plants with their plump leaves or trailing sedum spilling from pots. They bring life to any space without demanding much care. Outdoors, they shine in landscapes, too. Imagine a garden of succulents nestled among rocks, creating a living, drought-tolerant masterpiece. Their unique shapes add texture and color to any dry space. Even these tough plants have threats. Overwatering is the biggest one. Succulents need dry soil. Pests like mealybugs can invade, but neem oil or insecticidal soap helps protect them. Sunburn is another risk. If leaves show brown patches, move them to a shadier spot. Despite these challenges, succulents are nearly indestructible. They've evolved to thrive in tough conditions, bringing a bit of that strength to our homes. Whether you're experienced or just starting, succulents make success easy. These plants, built to survive extreme conditions, have become symbols of resilience. Each one tells a story, from harsh deserts to your living room, enduring against the odds. So, the next time you see a succulent, think of its journey from wild landscapes to your home. With a little care, these plants will thrive, bringing nature's untamed beauty into your life.